Yeah, so the 2025 edition of How India Eats by Swiggy and Kearney is out, and let's take you through the major highlights of the report. First of all, looking at the overall market. Now, what is currently $78 billion is expected to rise up to 120 to 125 billion USD. That is till 2030, so over a period of the next 5 years. And what's important here is now it will move from a large portion of it, which was earlier in the unorganized segment, now moving into the organized space, which means we will see a larger chunk of the business being driven by food delivery platforms and in a more organized fashion. Let's get into a few more details into what are the trends that are shaping up in this particular segment. If you take a look at what kind of formats are going to grow a lot, we can see that cloud kitchens, wherein there is a central kitchen which has a very minimal setup, that is going to see the highest growth of 32 to 37% of CAGR over the period of the next 5 years. We have also seen QSRs becoming more popular, desserts and ice cream parlors. Those are the top 2-3 categories that are going to see the highest growth in the upcoming 5 years. And further down the line, we have fine dining, casual dining, cafes, as well as pubs, bar cafes and lounges. Those will see a little more moderate growth. If you look at dining out trends, then what is coming out in this report by Swiggy and Kearney is that the top 8, beyond the top 8 cities, what growth we are seeing is twice as fast as what we are seeing in the top 8 cities, which means a large portion of this growth will be driven beyond the metros. And we're also seeing pre-booked tables for dining out growing at 7x the speed that we're seeing as far as the dining out trends are concerned. But if you look at a few other trends that are coming up, one is on the healthy food bit, wherein those orders are clocking in 2.3x more orders than your normal orders. And in fact, the late night food, so a little bit of two sides of the same coin here, late night orders are also seeing a 2.8x versus the dinner orders, which is between 7 to 10 p.m. We're seeing a lot more late orders coming in from customers. If you also take a look at the cuisines, then what we are seeing in terms of cuisines is that a lot of local cuisines within India, if you compare it to South and North Indian cuisines, we're seeing a lot of interest coming in for Pahari cuisine as well as Bihari, Goan and Naga. So the numbers you can see here, they're clocking in a lot more interest from the consumers than your normal South or North Indian restaurants. Along the same lines, we can see in terms of international cuisines versus Chinese, which was the central part of international cuisines for Indians. Korean, Vietnamese, Mexican, Japanese and French are also seeing a lot more interest. So a lot of interesting trends coming up in how India eats in 2025. A lot more local, but when it comes to international, a lot more experimental.